Okay, I think it's time to stock up on some seeds here. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. Now, I didn't just do one sunflower, not just two sunflowers, not just three sunflowers, not even four sunflowers. I did at least 5 sunflowers. It's very top heavy, so I gotta be very careful. And also, I don't want it falling towards the camera. I don't think that's how I want to start the day. Oh. I also chopped and dropped the material back into the soil, the ground that I had them in, the best that I could to help in future gardening projects and videos, and to help feed the soil to feed the plants that in turn can feed me. I'm sticking to what works, literally, and stocking up on it. Get it? It's about 13 inches. Now you can use some cordage like I have here, which is basically this twisted braided yarn, and allow it to hang and dry.
Reuse the stalk, like a trellis and mulch. May be sifted for non-seed materials. Give it time to dry. Used for future microgreens. sunflowers, and roasting.
Go out there and grow something awesome. And
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.